Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share today. So I got home from work and I just kind of felt like making a card. I didn't have a theme in mind, but I thought, why not make another Christmas card? I've made all my Christmas cards. I have mailed them off. I will be sharing my Christmas card, I believe, next week with you guys. But I don't know, I just wanted to make a little Christmas card, so that's what I'm going to share with you today. So I've put my little FP Handmade that I had for a while now, but I don't think I've ever put it on camera. I never was a big fan of the dark green. When I got it, I was like, maybe I should have specified a lighter green, but there you go. So today, let me show you all the items I used for this one little card. So for Deanery Designs, I have this circle die set, and I think it's called, let's see, Big and Little Pierced Circles. Super cute. I also used some scraps from a bag of Christmas greenery that I have cut last year. I used some of that. And I also used the gold smooth disc, and I believe these, I'm not sure where these from. I always show these, and I can't remember if they're Pretty Pink Posh or Simon's. Not Simon's, but Spellbinders. I think they're Spellbinders. I'm going to have to look that up one day. And then I used this limited edition Lisa Horton ink pad. And I used the gold. They come in solid gold. Solid gold. Oh, sorry. That slipped out. And then silver. Let's see. And I know these are like a hot item. Silver shine and copper pot. And you'll be kind of laugh at what I used it on, because I haven't used them to their full potential. But I wanted to get them, and I did use it on this card. So I'll show you in just a second. And I also used Step Set Set with Stamps. You'll be seeing this again in another video soon. And I used one of the little dice here, this Joy to the World. This is called Inside Out Religious Sentiments. And then new to my stash is this Birch Press, I think it's Philox Blooms and Leaves and Contour Layers. Super cute set. If you really need to try Birch Press design. They have some awesome little die sets. And then I used some of the designs from this one. It's called Sylvain Berries and Leaves, Contour Layers. So this is two really neat die sets, and you'll see them in another card I make soon. And so let's look at the little card. So it's just a simple little card with a lot of stuff on it, right? I just loved, excuse me, using those florals. And I try to make them like Christmas colors. And then this one I layered up with some foam. And I just thought this was sweet. And this is the extent of my usage for the Lisa Horton stamp set in the solid gold. Sorry. And I thought it turned out really cute. Just simple card for Christmas. So let me know what you think below. Welcome to everyone. Hope you have a great week. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.